Can you add highlights on TikTok? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. Well, adding highlights on TikTok is a new feature that has just been updated on TikTok itself. But this feature is only available in some of the countries or the region. So only some of the users may have this feature. In order for you to figure it out, first thing first, move into TikTok. Make sure you are logged in into your account. Once logged in, move into your profile. In order for you to add the highlight, move into any of the TikTok posts that you have uploaded. Click on this three dot icon. Swipe all the way to the left and click on Add to Story. Wait for a while. Now once again tap on Your Story at the bottom of the screen. Wait for a while for the story to be uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, click on the story itself. Once the story has been uploaded, at the bottom you will be able to see the option of highlight, or you will be able to see the highlight icon right over here at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you couldn't find that option, then it might be because it has not been updated on your device or your account. But for you, if it is available, then you will be able to see this icon. Click on this highlight icon and then create a name for your highlight. Once you've entered, tap on Create. After that, your highlight will be created and it will be shown to you in your TikTok profile. So this is simply how you can create highlight on TikTok. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.